Good day everyone, my name is Darwin Barameda from Bicol Region, SC8, under Docenia, BSed English, Section 3E15C. So what is globalization in communication? Globalization is the communication and assimilation among individuals, ethnicities, races, institutions, and government of various nations, supported by technology and compelled by international trade. Due to globalization, we became exposed to diversity, the valuing of the uniqueness and differences in gender preference, color, age, religious affiliation, ethnicity, education, social and economic status, and political beliefs. Globalization is not a new process or concept. Years before the advent of technology, people had been purchasing and selling each other properties, goods, and other objects in a certain value. The characteristics of globalization: interconnectedness in globalized economies, communication and culture, integration, people, ideas, and goods flows across borders, technological advancement. Technologies like the internet enable communication and information sharing on a global scale. Advantages of globalization: economic growth and development, access to new markets, jobs and investment opportunities, increased knowledge sharing, access to global information and education, cultural exchange, exposure to diverse cultures and perspectives. Effects of globalization on language and communication. English as a global language. So increased use of English in international business, education, and communication. Language convergence. So borrowing of words and phrases from other languages. Dialectal variation. So ito yung regional variations of languages emerge and influenced by global contact. Cultural cultural hybridity, mixing of cultural elements due to global interaction. So in conclusion, globalization presents both opportunities and challenges for communication. While it has fostered unprecedented interconnectedness and facilitated communication across borders, it also raises concerns about linguistic diversity and the dominance of certain languages. Navigating this complex landscape requires a nuanced understanding of globalization's multifaceted effects on language and communication.